So prior to Epcon, I had moved back to Columbus from Houston. I'd been in Houston for about 30 years, but decided it was time to come home. In 2020, when COVID hit, and I actually was very, very sick. I was in the ICU for a couple weeks, and although couldn't really have any visitors, still felt pretty lonely knowing there was nobody in town, you know. Heard about Epcon from my sister. I believe my sister was, if not the first, one of the very first to build here. The experience, just seeing the excitement of her building her own home and all the process. So when it got time for me to start looking for a place, she was like, well, you know, they have these really cute townhomes. And that was about the, you know, the size and style that I needed. I had never built a home from new. It was an easy, seamless, friendly process. Just the excitement of getting to pick things out and design your own, and a lot of the things that came with the price point were beautiful, and I chose them. I didn't have to upgrade everything to have a very well put together, beautiful home. A very creative experience. I'm a very creative soul, so that really appealed to me. I love to dance and create that way. I paint. Created some of the artwork actually for my sister's new home. The flow, it's, you know, open concept, so you can be at the dining table or the island or in the living area and still all be together. And love when it gets chilly outside and sit out there with my hot cocoa or my coffee in the morning. So comfortable, functional, and cozy. It's a feeling of safety. I think there's a feeling of safety of being near family. A neighbor that drops off cookies at Christmas. I have a neighbor that that is always like, I'm here whenever you need me to walk Lexi, you just let me know. The clubhouse is beautiful and the community is very active, and so there's a lot of ways to be social and get into creative things. The community does parties and things for every occasion. There's St. Patrick's Day, there's Valentine's Day, there's everything. They do a Friendsgiving. I think just really important as, especially as we age, to be in those social settings where we can maintain connections. You see people helping people. There's walking clubs, there's craft clubs, book reading clubs, the bocce ball, the pickleball. Hopefully we'll do another line dancing at the clubhouse. I was out of town for the first inaugural line dance that was held. It's fun, you know, there's always somebody out there doing something that you can get involved in. My sister and I started a dinner share so that, you know, dinner doesn't fall on either one of us all the time. I do travel a lot. It's nice to come home and have that nice cozy space to call my own, but it's also nice to know that when I'm away, it's a nice safe neighborhood. Looking forward to doing some more artwork to put up on my walls. I've got a couple visions of pieces that I think will finish out my space nicely. Everybody has felt like family.